This is Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and back here I got the BMW. It's pretty much ready for some paint. I just need to hit a little spot up here to get the scratches removed. I'm gonna order the paint. So I'm gonna order the paint, but I also want to want to order some other stuff. So I'm gonna get 5x6. You don't know yet. I'm probably you already know what I'm about to order, but I'm gonna do it on the back too. So the back measures 3 feet by 5. So I'm gonna do something different for the hood and something for the trunk. I'm still gonna paint them. I'm still gonna paint the whole car, but that's pretty exciting, guys. I'm really excited. So I'm about to order the paint, and I'm also excited for what I'm gonna do for the hood and the trunk. So I'm pretty sure some of you are already guessing what I'm gonna do with the hood and the trunk, but I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap the hood and the trunk. I'm still gonna paint it. Like I said, I'm gonna paint it first, wait for everything to dry, and once it's dry, I'm gonna wrap it, and hopefully it looks okay. Hopefully it looks the way I think it's gonna look, and hopefully you guys like it too. So leave in the comment section, what do you think I'm gonna wrap the hood with? Of course it's gonna be vinyl wrap, but what color you think I'm gonna wrap the hood and the trunk? The car's gonna be jet black. I'm gonna black the rims out, and I'm gonna wrap the hood and the trunk. So let me know in the comment section what color you think I'm gonna wrap the hood and the trunk. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys the paint that I got for the BMW. This is the actual paint. It's jet black. It's got the base coat, 1 gallon of base coat and 1 gallon of the 2K clear coat, urethane clear coat, and the urethane base. It's got the it comes with the activators and the reducers, or I don't know. I'm gonna see the instructions once I receive it, and this is what I paid, $209. That's exactly what I paid for it, not a single penny more. That includes shipping. So I've been watching other videos on this urethane paint, and I like the way that it looks, man. I really like the way it looks. I don't know how long it lasts, but I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know what I think about it. There's this picture. I like the way this one looks, but I like the motorcycle better. Let's just look practically normal. It's not that glossy, but this motorcycle looks super glossy. But yeah, that's the paint. I'm waiting on it, and hopefully it arrives. Supposedly it's gonna arrive, I think it was the 31st, but who knows. Hopefully it arrives earlier. But yeah guys, now there's another things that I ordered. Let me jump onto that. Let me show you guys. So these are the ones that I bought. Supposedly they're 100 watts. I doubt it. I doubt they're that bright for $10. So, I mean, I'm not even. I didn't buy them for the light because the headlights are bright enough. But I just didn't want them being yellow. So whatever light they produce, I just want the color. Not if they're gonna be sending warning lights on my dash. So the next thing I got is this. I'm waiting for this to arrive also. and I'm really excited for this ones actually. This is a 20 watt, the enjoy, the halo for the BMW, the ring, to make them a little bit brighter and change the color. So these are gonna be, I believe they were like 6,000 K, the color. So they're gonna be like iceberg white, something like that. um but they should be brighter than the ones that I have. So I know the pictures, they exaggerate on the pictures. I don't think, I doubt they'll be as bright as those, but whatever they, as long as they're brighter than the ones that I have right now, and the color is white, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm gonna try them out and let you guys know how they look. Well, you're gonna see. So yeah, I'm really excited for these lights. Okay guys, so this is the next project. We just picked it up from Copart and just brought it back home. So I haven't seen it before. This is my first time seeing it, so let's see what's going on with this van. Okay guys, so here's the next project, which is not much of a project because, well, we started already. If you can remember when we were trying to unload it, the windshield was cracked, was smashed, I mean. So the windshield got replaced this morning. So here's a mark. I don't know why I can't really see anything, but anyways, this is a 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. You see, this side is perfect. Nothing on this side besides that looks like paint, and then a small little scratch right here that could be easily buffed out. This big old mark on the back, but well, there's a dent. You can see, there it is. But since it's white, you can hardly see the person. But if you go up to the side, you can see it. So the back, that's the only thing the back has. Oh, and that too. On this side, here comes the fun part. There's this, and let's go to the worst right there. That's the damage, guys. So I'm gonna start looking into how to repair that. There was a flat tire. We got two. The front tires were replaced also. You can see the sticker here. So the two front tires are brand new. The van runs and drives. It's really dirty. It's got 113,000 miles. Starts right up, no problem. It's really dirty, like I said. It's really dirty. This thing needs like to get a nice wash. But I mean, it's a driver. You could easily get this thing back on the road. Since we got the windshield now replaced, these things are automatic. And we're gonna get the smog check and the brake and lamp inspection probably tomorrow. So that's our main concern right now, to get it legally on the road. See, I think it's pretty cool. The one on the other side too. The damage doesn't affect the door at all. Both doors open and close nice. See, doesn't interfere with anything at all. But the plans for this, I'm gonna smash this in with the hammer. Try to weld whatever I could weld back on just to keep it in place, and then bundle it. That's it. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do anything with this. I'm gonna polish the headlights. So like I said, This is a new project, which is not much of a project. Well, it's not a project at all. But anyways, like I said, 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. So 113,000 miles. Let me know in the comment section how much you think this was. It's running nice. And we actually got this van especially just for a trip that we're gonna take. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment section how much you guys think this was.